Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for any long terminal command. It's a very simple process to do that. So first you have to find your long command. You can simply see into our image, simply open your terminal and run the first command. And then you can simply see example output like this. It means make sure the command work exactly how you want. And then you're going to use alias. It is for temporary for current session. To create a temporary alias works until you close the terminal. Just simply run this command and then you can simply see something output like this. After you can simply add alias to this bash hrc permanent. Make the alias permanent so it's work in every new terminal. So you can simply type this command, run it, and then simply add this line at the end of the file, and then simply press Ctrl plus O and then exit for Ctrl plus X, and then run your command and test your alias that it's perfectly working or not. And if it works, then your shortcut is ready to use anytime. So this is the basic one to how to create a shortcut for any long terminal command. There are also some variants to go along, but make sure you like this video and comment below if you liked it. So right now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.